What is up, guys? Julio, and my cameraman isn't here because he's a bitch. No, I'm just kidding, but he's busy. But today we're gonna be installing new cluster lights. I fucking suck at vlogging. You know, I'm using my iPhone. I already did one inside the car, but today I'm gonna show you how to install these high quality LED lights. Yeah, right now I'm just letting the car get warmed up right now. Yeah. Yeah. Motherfucking cat died. Look at it. I mean her. Yeah. I'm gonna be using. It came in 10, and so we're gonna be using 4. I already used 1, and we're gonna have 6 left. I don't know. Like, one thing we're gonna be using is these lights, this, and a flathead over there. And then get it from the toolbox. So. Fucking cat up in this bitch. Yeah. Alright, so the thing you want to do is remove the fillet's head underneath there. There's 4 of them. Cat, no, cat, no. The screws on. I think it should be easy to pop off. I need to pop. Yep, look, there we go. Look. Ah, fuck, my fingers, man. There we go. The top one should be easy to come off. How about the audio? Those kids running around having fun. Fuck, this shit's hard. About my cameraman. Let's get on. Ah, fuck, my screw drive. I'll walk it from the other side. And before you do all this, please disconnect the battery. I didn't do that because I'm fucking lazy. Go in the trunk and do that shit. Alright, so you want to remove the screws down here. And a little tug of war. You just yank that off. And it should be a cluster. Once you get that off, you just want to get a little. You want to put a little. Fuck. Put you right. No. And you just come up like that. And then once you get that out, you wanna. There's gonna be the screwdriver right here. It's gonna be 4 of them, and then you just pop them out, and it's gonna be wires connected from the back, and you have to disconnect this one, that one, and that one. Once you take the cluster out, you want to change the green light bulbs. The green switch knob, kind of dark. Yeah, I forgot to record this because I ran out of storage on my phone, but you know, fuck it. I want to take them out and replace the old one with the new one. These are like the new LED ones. Yeah, and now you basically do the opposite, putting it back on over there. I didn't take this bottom piece off because it was easier because I didn't have to struggle. And yeah, basically do the same thing, going the opposite thing as in taking it out. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like it. Yeah, more daily things are coming up, but right now, fucking cold. Oh, fuck my phone.